Hello friends, now I'm going to start my new video which is on lithosphere and what's beneath it. So what is lithosphere? The lithosphere is the rigid outermost part of the earth. It is composed of the crust and the upper portion of the mantle. All the land that we see on the earth is part of the lithosphere. Even the ocean basins are also its part. So all the land on the earth is the part of the lithosphere, and also the ocean basins which are underwater under these oceans are also the part of the lithosphere. Do you know the tectonic plates? These plates are not any other plates like in our kitchen, but these are plates which are divided by the lithosphere. The lithosphere is not just a surface of the earth, which is a rigid rock, but it is different parts of rocks. These rocks are called tectonic plates or plates. So, these are some of the plates of the earth, and there are many more than this, but these are the main. So you can see India is on the Indian plate, and Africa is on the African plate, and the Saudi Arabia is on Arabian plate, and this is the Eurasian plate, and it is half here and half here because this is a map which is round, but we cannot see it is a round, it is a map. And this is the Australian plate, and this is the Philippine plate, and this is North America plate, and this is Caribbean plate, South American plate, Nazca plate, and Antarctica plate. So as you can see, I think that Antarctican plate is the largest plate because it is covering lots of area. Eurasian plate could be also, and North American also, because these are some of the largest plates. So, do you know that the whole planet is divided into lots of plates? That's what I discussed. And these plates are continuously moving on the hot magma under it, which forces these plates to move in a particular direction. So, these plates are also moving. As we know, if these plates are divided, then they cannot be still. The magma which is under it is forcing them into particular directions, like the arrows shown here. Some part of this Pacific plate is pushing towards the American plate, and here also. But here it is pushing towards the Australian plate. Here also. And here they are moving apart. And at this plate they are also moving. But on this plate they are, I think we can say that they are colliding. But in a sideways manner. And most of the plates are either colliding or either separating. Some of them are like this one are moving sideways. So if they will move when, then we are sure that they will collide or move apart. If they collide, it would make mountain and valleys, and if they move apart, it would create cracks or new landforms. So like in here, when these plates collide with each other, then they could make these like small islands or even long mountain ranges, like the Himalayan range. In here is an example of the plates when collide make mountains. And on we can see this, there are also mountains at this plate because the Nazca plate and South American plate are continuously colliding. But then we can say that Nazca is more colliding than South American. So this is an example of a model here. So when plates collide, they can make these much long mountain ranges, and when they move apart, they can make the surface plane or even can make cracks like here. What's beneath it? So now we will discuss what is beneath the lithosphere. So lithosphere is just the upper crust, but there is more under the crust. This is called the earth, and the earth is divided into lots of layers. This is the crust, the uppermost layer that we see, mantle that is below the crust, and it is the largest layer. Outer core, which is the portion which is out the core. Inner core, and this is the portion which is the core. We can say that this whole portion is the core, but the core is also divided into outer core and inner core. So as we go deeper into the earth, it gets hotter. So it means that the pressure and heat exerts so much pressure in the center that it creates so much heat, which is as the surface of the sun. The core of the earth feels like the surface of the sun. So these are the layers that I told. So thank you, and please like my video and subscribe my channel.